increasing your ROI is our absolute obsession. So we've gone ahead and added another cool feature for you, which is LinkedIn auto connection. So imagine you go ahead and fetch a bunch of leads using our Chrome extension. Then you can go ahead and use the lead list to go ahead and fetch those details. We download them as a CSV and then simply upload them over here. Simply so, that's done. We can preview it over here where it shows my first name, last name, location, as well as my URL. And I'm going to map the LinkedIn profile. Once that's done, we're going to click on configure now, and I'm going to just personalize this based upon recommendations for this demo. In the advanced settings though, we have a really cool option show up over here where we have something called prepend and append. What prepend and append does is lets us go ahead and add the actual full text body that you want to probably send in your LinkedIn message or even your email. So you don't longer need to depend upon your third-party email sending provider to go ahead and do that. You can generate the entire email copy body straight from our software. And it's super simple. Just type it in, select this, and this will actually have all the URLs that the variables that you've got from the CSV, as well as some custom ones that we've got. So I'm going to say, hey, first name. And then in the end of it, I'm just going to add some bit of familiarity. Say it looks like we both live in the location. Click on save. And once that's done, I'm simply going to click on generate copy. Great. Now that I've done that, the actual update and output is actually here. And I'm happy with this. And obviously, this is just for demo purposes. It's got my name, it's got the recommendation and personalization, and it looks like it's messaged that through. So what's going to be happening from here? Simple. Just export by CSV. And now I'm going to go into another account that I have over here. And this is one of my sales professionals account. And I'm simply going to go ahead and upload the CSV. Sweet. Now that I've added this, I'm going to, obviously in this case, it's just row from 1 to 1. I don't have much more than that. The LinkedIn URL is my LinkedIn URL, which is the one I have over here. So that's the one. And the recommendation that I'm going with is a personal recommendation. Obviously, if you selected recommendation, as you know, you can go ahead and do that just by clicking on this. But in this case, I did not. So I selected the first one. Do note that we recommend you only doing 20 connection requests per day because LinkedIn is getting quite aggressive. It's 100 per week, depending upon the plan that you're on. I believe your paid plan is a lot more, but for a free plan, it is not. And that's it. Just select the time. Minimum 2 minutes is what we say between requests, and then you can set that to as many minutes you want in this space between one and the other. Again, try keep it to 20 a day, and you should be good. If you're in a paid plan, you can do a lot more. And then that's it. Send request, and dust your hands. You should be good to go. So I've sent the connection request, as you can see, and now we can simply go through my profile and see if I've actually received this or not. And boom, within a quick second or two, I've got the request straight from my growth team member, and it's got my name, etc., exactly what I sent. So there you go. You can automate your entire outreach now just using SmartWriter with our quick send option that we've got with our updated Chrome extension that is accessible in the market right now for each download. Have a great day, and thank you.